reminds me of my time in Minnesota. We had one April a few years ago where we got 50 inches of snow.
Ugh.
Just in the month of April. In April. Yeah, it was pretty amazing. So yeah, be glad that you're out here. We had our bouts of snowfall, but nothing that we had to.
Too drastic.
Yeah, nothing really too drastic. And we did have a front move through earlier during the overnight hours. We are expecting some partial clearing in the sky tonight. And one thing I do want to mention, we mentioned it a couple of shows earlier, there is a minor geomagnetic storm watch, which is in effect for March 14th and 15th. So the next couple of nights, if you happen to be out during the wee hours of the morning, look to the north and you might see a faint hint of green on the northern horizon. It's not aliens, it's actually some northern lights that could be possible the next couple of nights. So hopefully we see enough clearing. Also, if you happen to be out between these times tomorrow, the International Space Station is going to be flying overhead. So just after 5 o'clock and once again about 90 minutes later at about 6:36, that's a better time to see it. It'll be the brightest thing in the sky. It'll be moving from west to east. Should be a pretty cool sight to see. In the meantime, again, the showers are wrapping up for the most part. The steady rain, I should say, is lifting up north into British Columbia, and I want to back things up a little bit. You can see it's a pretty broad system. You can see showers stretch from western Washington all the way into southwestern parts of Idaho and points beyond. Even saw some heavier showers and even some thunderstorm activity over interior Oregon. The main thing that's going to happen the next couple of days is this big low pressure system which swung that front into us is going to hang offshore over the next couple of days, keeping us a bit on the cooler side and also giving us very slight chances for showers from time to time. Does not look like a great chance for rain, but still at least the threat is going to be there each day through the upcoming weekend. Very small chances, we'll say. Right now through Seattle, it is 48 degrees. It's about as cool as it's been all day today. And what was really interesting was earlier today, it was quite warm, right? You woke up and wondering, wow, the temperatures are just amazing. We had temperatures in the lower to middle 60s. It was 64 degrees at 8 o'clock in the morning today. And what was interesting is an hour later, the temperatures at SeaTac dropped by 10 degrees. It was all because of a change in wind direction. Strong easterly winds, that downsloping wind that bumped our temperatures in the 70s yesterday, turned to a southerly wind at 9 o'clock, and that's why those temperatures really dropped. And you can see most of us hanging out in the mid to upper 40s, and temperatures are probably not going to be moving very much as we head deeper into the overnight hours. Threat for rain kind of diminishing through the overnight hours. We'll see patchy areas of clearing and not a very wet start to the day, but a few spotty showers possible. And it looks like as we head deeper into Wednesday afternoon, a better chance for those kind of hit and miss showers. Overall, not a very wet day, certainly not nearly as wet as what we saw this afternoon. So your 7-day forecast, a few showers on Thursday, partly sunny on Friday, and as we head into the weekend, a mix of clouds and sun with a few spotty showers from time to time.